Hey guys, so today is kind of a fun little, just a little thing. My friend Mina Villegas, I have talked about her before. She's a fellow artist. This is one of the pieces of work that she's done, and I'll also put a little channel, link to her channel in the description box. Her and I were chatting, and I was like, I just want to make something like what you made. So these are the colors that we chose. This is kind of a culmination of a couple of paintings of hers that I really liked. And I just wanted to see if I could make a painting that looked like hers. So it was fun because with permission, of course, we were chatting and I put her on my little video screen and set up a little tripod, so even though you can't see it in this moment in this picture, she's off to the left, like watching what I'm doing, giving me advice on which colors to put in next, and you know, how to do my pour to kind of achieve some of her results. Although, you know, her channel is very informative, so it's easy to follow to get her results. So anyway, so I thought I just want to do this, and then of course, here, this is me, this is her, the first part is her. This is me saying, nope, I gotta do something weird because it's still Heather Mader. So I added that red color, that crimson, just because I had a cup of it left over from the night before. And she was like, oh no, I don't think the red's gonna go. But I'm telling you, sometimes it is those little colors that you think aren't going to work out, and they do work out in unexpected ways. And then sometimes it fails completely. But so this is one thing that Mina does, is she, you know, makes these beautiful cells, these beautiful gold cells. So one of the things I was trying to do was emulate that in her work, and I think I did a pretty good job of it. All of the paints here were mixed with Floetrol. This is me showing her the painting. I'm like, look at the size, look at this. Of course it's sped up, but yeah, there's me on video showing her what kind of results I was getting. And so anyway, all of the paints were mixed with Liquitex pouring medium and Floetrol and water, and that's really it. And look at those cells, how they're all coming through. One of the things that helps is that 24 karat gold deco art. So then I decided, all right, we did a Mina painting. Now I'm gonna do Mina Heather Mader mix painting and see what I get. So I just took a random cup of leftover scraps of paint from the night before, and I added it to this one. Now, because that layer on the top is going to be so thin, some of the Mina painting from the bottom is going to pop up, and I know this already, so I make sure to stretch it as thin as possible because I do want to get some of those fun extra results coming through, those gold cells and stuff. So I got out my balloon and I started rolling, and the first beautiful surprise was there's that red that I put in the very, very bottom, and I was showing her, I was like, see? Look at the red that's popping through, isn't it pretty? Sorry I wasn't fully in camera. I apologize for that. I was, you know, this is what art friends do. We have art phone dates and do arts together. So yeah, I just, right in front of her, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my little weirdo balloon rolls with my little weirdo colors and kind of blend the two paintings together and see what we get. And it was really a fun little experiment. And one thing that I came away with in this process was I was just having fun. Like, there was nothing serious about it. I didn't care if the painting really turned out one way or the other. I was just chatting with my friend and we were just having fun. And the painting turned out so beautiful and so interesting. And what that tells me is that, you know, a lot of times I think we get hyper focused on, you know, the results of something and whether it's going to turn out, and oh, are we wasting paint? Are we wasting time? Are we wasting energy? But this should also just be about having fun. We should be just having fun too, and we should be not always concerned about the end result, because no matter what you do when you're painting, you're going to learn something about your paints, you're going to learn something about color, you're going to learn something about consistency, or have a happy result that you didn't expect. Sometimes you have terrible results that you didn't expect. So, you know, just again, I know I'm always talking about being fearless, but this was a fun little way to just totally do something just for fun with my friend, and we just did it right on the phone together, and it was great. So plan a little art date with your friend, just even a little phone art date, and just do it. It was really fun, and I'll probably do another one with her again. So I want to take a second and say thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and my gosh, such beautiful comments were left when you guys found out I'm going through a personal issue, and I really, really took those things to heart. I just really felt blessed for all of your well wishes and warm, kind words. I appreciate it. Please support my channel. I'm definitely in a position where I would love some support, and there is a PayPal link in my description box, or if you want to buy a painting, all my paintings are for sale. If it hasn't sold, I would love to sell you one of these beautiful paintings. Look at all the details and how that turned out. Isn't that fun? Oh yeah, I'm like still tickled just looking at it. The whole process was just really fun. And now I just have a cool memory. And so there's the original, and then the dried results this morning. I want to show you. Look at that. So pretty and unique. Thank you so much for watching heathermaderart. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.